Namaste. So we are going to perform Urdhva Dhanurasana, also known with the name of wheel pose. Inhale, bend your legs at your knee. Yes, feet on the mat, on the ground. Inhale, palms next to your ears. Grip in your palm nicely on the mat. Yes, fix your palm properly. Inhale, lift your buttocks up, your head up. Stay here, 5 breaths. Try to shift your body weight towards your hands so you can have more stretch from your armpit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, head down. Inhale, walk with your hands and lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, head down. Last one. Here I will help you for drop back and come up. Okay, inhale, up. Yes, stay. I'm gonna swing you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come up with the control. Exhale. Now we're gonna go for 2 more rounds from standing drop back. Okay, yeah, open your legs hip width distance. Yes, inhale. Now you just lean back, push your buttocks forward. Yes, go lower, 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 and stretch your hands back. Stretch your hands back on the mat. Yes, inhale, come up. One more time. Exhale. Yes, go back, lean back. Yes, hands down, stretch, and come up. Exhale. Uttanasana, bend forward. Just bend forward. Yeah. Stay there. Just counter stretch you give to your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Yes, all the way up. Exhale, hands down. Namaste.